Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, we are going to be discussing a RobotForexPro Expert Advisor named EuroStable EA, and the name alone tells you what this one is going for. All right, so as always on this marketplace, every listing is verified by Myfxbook with the same reminder that past results do not guarantee future ones. Okay, the product page confirms that this is an MT4 only expert advisor. All right, the expert advisor is for only MetaTrader 4. All right, we can see that stated here, and the EA is priced at $199, down from $450, and it has a familiar license structure with the other EAs that are listed on this marketplace. We can see here that there is the license include one live and one demo, or two live accounts, both of them counting toward the same cap, a cap of two accounts basically. So the EuroStable EA is focused entirely on EURUSD on the M15 time frame. All right, and interestingly, it actually includes two versions in one package. A Scalping version 2.0, you can see that here, two versions included, a Scalping version 2.0 and a more conservative version 3.3. So that gives you a choice between a faster, more active style and a steadier one, depending on what you are comfortable with. All right, and then it also has built-in news filtering, all right, which is designed to help the EA avoid trading directly around high impact news releases. Okay, so now for the historical side, the current Black Bull account shows a gain of 20.93%. Let's just open the page. All right, so we can see there is a gain of 20.93%. The absolute gain here is 20.88%, with a noticeably tight drawdown of just 2.09%, a daily average of 0.29%, and a monthly average of 9.24%. So that is a much more conservative looking curve compared to the other EAs in this lineup. Okay, we can see here the balance is $642.2, whereas the deposit was $530. Okay, so now let's go see the other account. This is the old ex-chief account labeled EuroStable EA. Okay, so let us see the results given here. So in this case, this is a more aggressive one. The gain was over 15,400%, and the balance is $0. You can see deposit was $1,000, withdrawals $190,401. Wow. And then here the drawdown was 22.94%. okay, the monthly drawdown here 19.88%, and the daily drawdown, the monthly gain 19.88%, daily gain 0.52% on average, right? So that's a pretty wide gap between the two accounts, and it is worth pointing out plainly a light version and a full version, or simply two different time periods and broker conditions. Meanwhile, we can see that the older Xchief account is said to have closed due to a broker server change. Okay, so like as I was saying, a light version and two in a full version, or simply two different time periods and broker conditions, can produce very different equity curves even on the same underlying pair. Okay, so the newer account low drawdown is one of the more conservative profiles, that we have looked at in this batch, in this this marketplace, this website, the RobotForexPro. Okay, and that is the kind of detail that matters more to some traders than the size of the total gain. Okay, and it's also worth remembering that features like the news filter, and okay, features like the news filter can only do so much. Spread spikes, slippage, and broker execution around volatile periods can still affect real results, regardless of what a backtest or live account shows. So this one is licensed for personal use only, and it is non-transferable, delivered by email after you send your MT4 account number. Okay, you can see here this is a digital product, non-refundable. Once delivered. By opting for immediate access, you waive the 14-day withdrawal right. They have a refund policy. As for the delivery, the files are emailed within 24 to 48 hours after they receive your MT4 account number. Okay, and you can see here the broker requirements. This is also prop firm usage. Rules vary by firm. Confirm your eligibility with your prop firm before use. And then, of course, this is software only. All trading decisions and outcomes remain your responsibility. As for the performance caution, backtests and third-party widgets are for reference only and do not guarantee future results. So to wrap up, EuroStable EA is an MT4 tool built exclusively for EURUSD, offering both a scalping and a conservative version with news filtering and a current account showing one of the tighter drawdown policy profiles that we have seen. Still, as always, test it yourself, understand the risk before committing any capital, and remember that no single EA suits every trader. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.